Hey gang, Skypilot here. Nice sunny day. I brought the Dodo out from Extinction to have a rip around. This is the Skyzone AtomRC Dodo. You guys have seen it before. I've got a couple of reviews of this thing. Really cool to fly. Hello folks, how you going? Skypilot here. As you just saw, I had a very small incident with one of my quads. Yeah. So what I ended up doing, I was running it on a battery that I probably shouldn't have been running it on, so I have completely burnt out my ESCs. So they're rubbish. Tested them and realised that the ESC is burnt out. And as a result, I've also burnt out or destroyed one of the motors. Grabbed myself a HAKRC 20 amp ESC here. So I'm going to reattach everything and hopefully I'll get this quad back up in the sky again. Complete strip down. I've had to do a couple of mods to the wiring loom here as the connections were different. However, I found I can adapt this by sliding it over, not using the last pin. With this awesome flight controller from SkyRC, I can also cut the wires and manually solder on the wires to the pins rather than using the connector. So that's really handy, saves me some money. Hopefully it's all going to work, not too sure. Let's go. Okay, that's all motors wired up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make sure everything's going to spin up correctly. Okay, it's all connected. Believe they are all active. Let's see if we have motor spin. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, check. Good stuff. Now I know it all sort of works at this stage. Not too sure about how direction the motor's spinning in. However, we've got power to all 4 motors via the new ESC. Let's put it back in the frame. Okay, so I have sort of put it together, but before I do the final fit, what I'm going to do is put the props on. Under there. Away. What I'm going to do is put the props on, stick it. Oops, got a screw on each motor here. There's no point putting it all together completely in case I need to pull it apart again. So I'll just make sure these are tightened up sufficiently. Okay, fingers crossed, guys. Let's see what's what. Let's see if it connects. So far so good, guys. And we are going all over the place with our axis. Not to worry, we can fix that. So if you do come across a scenario where you are rolling the wrong way, then you can actually fix it without taking the flight controller out and flipping it around. And just like that, so I've changed the board and sensor alignment to clockwise 270 degrees, and that looks like it has set me up correctly. Make sure everything lines up and looks good. Okay, let's hit that motors tab, plug in our Smoky, and let's see which way those motors are spinning. So this is motor number 4, so I need to see, turn that off, understand, I need to see that one spinning anti-clockwise. Oh, no, we don't have motor number 4, we've got that motor over there. So it seems that our motors are in the wrong spot, so I'm not going to fiddle around with any of the hardware. I'm going to try and do it using Betaflight here. So what you need to do is to go to the CLI command of Betaflight, type in resource show and scroll down until you find your motors. What you're going to need to do is to go down to your CLI command and type in resource show, and you will be presented with a whole load of locations. So we can see our motor here is connected to BO4, 5, 6 and 7. So what I need to do now is I need to reconfigure those to change them around. This is going to be fun. Okay, looks a bit confusing, but I've found out which motor is related to which position here on the resource. I've cleared all of the resources first, so you can see it's freed up. So you just type in clear motor and resource motor 1 none. So these commands here I put in and freed them up, and then I changed them to resource motor, which is what I think they've corresponded to. It's a bit confusing because I've got the working motor and the not working position. So I've put those in, I've hit save, let's see what happens. So what we're going to look for now hopefully is when I spin motor number 1, this one here spins. If it doesn't, we're in trouble and we're going to have to go back to the drawing board. Look at that. It's spinning, and it is also spinning in the right direction. Success, guys, you little ripper. Okay, let's not do heel clicks just yet. Let's check out motor number 2. Ah, excellent. And is that spinning correctly? Yes, that's spinning the right direction. So far so good. Motor number 3 should be this one. Oh, you little ripper. And it's even spinning in the right direction, which could only mean the lucky last is motor number 4. Excellent. and that's also spinning in the correct direction. Back up and running in its full glory. Yes, I was probably running a battery that I shouldn't have been running on this, hence the little spill at the start of the video. If you have any questions about how I did what I did, yeah, please let me know. This is the Dodo 120. I've done a couple of reviews of this. Nice little flyer. Check out their website, makerfire.com. And a really well priced, fun little unit with a very, very nice FPV camera on it. Different props I've put on here, as my original ones got a bit damaged, but these are the Gem fans, pretty much what was on there before. Flies nice, looks good. Let's hit the sky. See you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by, much appreciated. Smash on that bell, smash on the thumbs up. Plenty more to come as usual. Good to see you. Bye for now.